This is DJI's cheapest drone. Here are 5 things I hate about it. Number 1 is the camera. This is a camera drone, and it feels to me that DJI have just decided, let's add all these lovely features and slap this type of camera on it. And the camera, you don't have any settings on it. You can change it from 1080p to 4K, 4K ultra stabilized. Oh, that sounds fantastic on paper, but it really is not. It is rubbish compared to the other drones we got. And I'll tell you why, and that's the noise it brings in low light. You can see it. I'd actually go far to say that it is as bad as the first camera phones when they came out. And they are advertising this as a video blogging drone. Who for? People who can't see properly? The second thing I hate, there's not enough storage on it. They've given you an odd 22 gigabytes. Now, on paper that sounds great unless you're filming at 4K, but then again, with the terrible image quality, it might be saving you some space. That might be the reason why. But I really wish, and it couldn't add much more weight to it, is to add a micro SD card into it, so you can expand it out, so you can just keep recording. Otherwise, you're back and forth downloading your footage. And I think, yeah, it's lovely that you got the memory, but give us a little bit more. The third thing I hate is the fact that I got so excited about how modular this is, how we can use it for like existing stuff. So we only bought the drone. I thought, great, cheapest drone, I'll buy it. I can use my controller I've got here. Oh no, it's version 1, not number 3. So I can't use that. And then I thought, I've got a screen one, I can use that. No, I can't use that. Don't know why. Maybe in a firmware update. Here's an idea for you, DJI. And then, so I can't use those sort of things. But then I thought, well, I've got this, I can use this. Yay! I can do FPV mode. My number 1 request, DJI, is please can you make this so I can use it, because I feel like I'm going back to the old school. Even if I invested in version 3 of this controller, I still got to stick my mobile phone on it. It's still cumbersome. I guess that's why you're just using the app, so you can just fly it with the app from your phone. My 4th hate is the wind. This has been advertised as a video blogging drone. Now, if you fly drones, you know too well inside they make a noise. Even with the new advanced feature of getting rid of the noise when you're recording audio through the app, which is great, it's rather uncomfortable to try and film that while you're inside. So where are you going to go? Outside. But it is hypersensitive to wind. It holds its own, I give it that. This little fella does a great job. At one point, I thought it was going to fly sideways to stay in the spot, but it bounces around. So when it comes to controlling it with a controller or on the app, it's very difficult. It bounces around. That bounce around will be captured on camera. So the viewing experience for anybody watching your videos won't be great. They might suffer some motion sickness. And my final hate, and I get it, I know why, it's too noisy. Okay, as I said, you can get rid of that in the editing. Not for the people around you when you're trying to film. When you're outside, because of these type of props, they make a lot more noise. And then you got these guards on it, fantastic idea, that will bring in noise as well. So it's too noisy. It needs to be quieter. I'd much prefer to use the Mini. I feel that's quieter because it's got more prop area. Now let's compare the sound. This is the sound of the DJI Neo. This is the sound of the Mini 4. This is the sound of the Mavic Classic. And this is the sound of the Avata 2. Now those bigger drones make more noise, but I'm not flying those near people. I'm flying this near people. So this is the one has to be the quietest. So DJI, in my opinion, you've missed the mark, especially for somebody who's so invested in your brand. I won't be using it for shoots. Guys, let me know what you think, comment below, and as always, if you want to watch more hate videos, or some more positive stuff, check out this video here, and I'll catch you on our next episode.